Okay guys, welcome back to another video of Shade of the Content and FCD Vinyl and Apparel, and we are here today. We're having our big sign put in up there. They're gonna finally remove that raggedy schmaggedy sign. We got the guys here. New modern sign. They're gonna remove the sign up there. It's out of here. No more sign. That sign's gotta go. We're getting our official FCD Vinyl and Apparel sign today. I'm so excited. It was a very big day. Today we had like a soft opening because we didn't have our sign up, but now we can definitely open our sign. Open our store because we have our sign. Yeah guys, like I said, this is a huge day for us. We are super excited. Finally, we get our sign. This is the last little thing that we needed to make the store official. We have our sign right there. It's gonna go right about there.
Against the glass?
No, how's it gonna break the glass?
Huh?
Put it up against the glass.
I was gonna just put it right there in case you want to take a picture or something with it.
Oh.
This
Oh, we need to charge this baby. Oh man, that was fun.
That was fun. I'm excited.
I'm glad he's gonna try again. That'll be cool up there for our first sign, right?
Yeah, he got all them angles, babe.
I know, right?
I get those angles. That's tight. I like that.
That's tight. Got D cleaning the sign.
Get it nice and polished.
Free child labor. Don't bend it though.
Bye-bye, Sophia's Alterations.
Mm-hmm.
Hello. All you gotta do is put some double-sided tape. Done.
That's it?
That's it.
That's how we would do it.
He put some double-sided tape. You know that mold.
This is the hardest job on planet Earth. He's
Pouring out the water was
being,
good. Oh, like a watch.
yeah, like watch, you know what I mean?
Because
Down in the stair. No, racket like a baseball. Ready? All right, guys, you can see, he's putting it up. We're almost done. Last finishing touches. It's been a super long day. So long, he's almost done. All right, guys, so you can see he's almost done. He said he's got like one more bolt to put up there and then he's done. It's been a long day. It's my wife's birthday weekend, so I still gotta get home to the wife and record some videos and stuff like that. No, edit some videos. I might go hang out with Big B TV tonight. I don't know, man. I've been like out here in the sun dealing with this, so it's just been a lot, but I'm gonna go ahead. He said he's got one more bolt, then I'm gonna chop it up with him. We already paid him, so you guys, if you need a sign, I'll put all the information in the link. I'll put all the information in the description below if you guys need a sign. These guys have great prices, great deals. They don't have like a one-stop shop price. They've done damn near all the signs here, but they can definitely help you with your sign. If you need a sign for inside or outside, they don't just do these types of signs. They do all types of signs. So I just want to say, guys, this is, just a big day for us. Our official day is Monday. I will have this video out before that, but our official grand opening day is Monday. Please come by, check us out, cop some, merch so you can make your own merch, anything to help support your local small business. So I'm gonna my voice is going out because I've been yelling to him, helping him out, but that's it, guys. I'm gonna go get something to eat, and you guys just be basic, all right? Peace. New modern sign.